In this video, I will show you how to post a picture to your YouTube community. So firstly guys, you need to sign in your YouTube studio. Once you sign in, click on community, visit your YouTube channel page, then here click on community. Here you will see some options like video, text poll, manage, image poll and image. So if you need to post a picture, click on image, drag up to 5 images or GIF as or select from your computer. Then click on post. So this is the way guys you can post a picture to your YouTube community. Thanks for watching.